This JOYAIRE Soccer Goal Set uses thicker fabric, reinforced corners, solid fiberglass poles, and a dense net, so it holds up well to repeated hard shots in a backyard setting. The package is impressively complete with 2 youth-sized goals, a size 4 ball, a pump, cones, and sturdy ground stakes so kids can start playing and practicing as soon as it arrives. Despite feeling robust, the goals fold down quickly into a compact shape and slide into the carry bag, making them easy to store in a closet or take along to parks or the beach. The size and design work well for younger children through early teens, giving them a forgiving target for casual games while still being useful for basic shooting and passing drills. The included ball and cones are better quality than many starter sets, with a softer touch, bright markers, and secure U-shaped stakes that keep the goals from tipping or sliding. Families who set this up in the yard tend to get a lot of shared playtime and informal training out of it, which helps kids build coordination, confidence, and social skills while they burn off energy.